Welcome to this video. If you play Candy Crush, you might sometimes find the background music distracting or too loud. Today, I will show you exactly how to disable the music effects in the Candy Crush game app using simple steps on your phone. First, open the Candy Crush game app on your phone. Next, look for the settings icon at the top right, tap on it. Then, inside the settings menu, find the section labeled Music. Tap on the toggle switch next to it to turn the music off. This will immediately disable the background music effects. Finally, close the settings menu and continue playing the game without the music. The sound effects for moves and crushing candies will still be available if you prefer, but the background music will no longer play. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.